Building muscle requires a combination of proper nutrition, consistent training, and sufficient recovery. While whole foods should form the foundation of your diet, supplements can play a crucial role in supporting muscle growth and optimizing performance. Here are some of the best supplements for muscle growth and their benefits. 1. Protein powders. Protein is the building block of muscles, and adequate intake is essential for muscle repair and growth. Protein powders are a convenient way to ensure you meet your daily protein requirements. Types: whey, casein, soy, and plant-based options like pea or rice protein. Benefits: promotes muscle recovery, supports lean muscle growth, and helps reduce muscle breakdown. Usage: consume post-workout or as a meal replacement to meet protein goals. 2. Creatine monohydrate. Creatine is one of the most researched and effective supplements for increasing muscle mass and strength. Benefits: boosts energy production during high-intensity workouts, improves strength, and enhances muscle recovery. Usage: take 3-5 grams daily with or without a loading phase. Scientific support. Numerous studies have shown creatine's ability to enhance performance and muscle hypertrophy. 3. Branched-chain amino acids, BCAAs. BCAAs, leucine, isoleucine, and valine, are essential amino acids that play a key role in muscle protein synthesis. Benefits: reduces muscle soreness, prevents muscle breakdown, and promotes muscle recovery. Usage: ideal for consumption during or after workouts. Who benefits most? Useful for those in calorie deficits aiming to preserve lean muscle mass. 4. Beta-alanine. Beta-alanine is an amino acid that increases carnosine levels in muscles, helping buffer acid buildup during exercise. Benefits: improves endurance, delays fatigue, and enhances performance during high-intensity workouts. Usage: take 2-5 grams daily, preferably with meals. Best for athletes engaged in intense training sessions lasting 1 to 4 minutes. 5. Omega-3 fatty acids. Omega-3 fatty acids, commonly found in fish oil, are known for their anti-inflammatory properties and overall health benefits. Benefits: reduces muscle soreness, supports joint health, and enhances recovery. Usage: take 1-3 grams of EPA and DHA combined daily. Additional advantage: supports heart health and brain function. 6. Caffeine. Caffeine is a powerful performance enhancer often used as a pre-workout supplement. Benefits: increases focus, boosts energy, and enhances endurance. Usage: consume 30 to 60 minutes before workouts at doses of 3 to 6 milliliters per kilogram of body weight. Note: avoid excessive intake, as it can lead to jitteriness or insomnia. 7. Glutamine. Glutamine is an amino acid that plays a key role in muscle recovery and immune function. Benefits: supports muscle repair, reduces exercise-induced soreness, and strengthens the immune system. Usage: take 5 to 10 grams daily, especially after intense workouts. 8. ZMA. Zinc, magnesium, and vitamin B6. ZMA is a blend of essential nutrients that support muscle recovery and improve sleep quality. Benefits: enhances muscle repair, boosts testosterone levels, and aids in restful sleep. Usage: take before bedtime for maximum benefits. Best for individuals with deficiencies in zinc or magnesium. 9. Pre-workout formulas. Pre-workout supplements typically contain a mix of ingredients like caffeine, beta-alanine, and nitric oxide boosters. Benefits: improves focus, increases energy, and enhances blood flow to muscles. Usage: consume 20-30 minutes before training. Key ingredients to look for: L-citrulline, caffeine, and taurine. 10. Multivitamins. While not directly linked to muscle growth, multivitamins ensure you meet your micronutrient needs, which are critical for overall performance and recovery. Benefits: supports immune function, energy metabolism, and overall health. Usage: take daily with a meal for optimal absorption. Conclusion: supplements can significantly enhance muscle growth when combined with a proper diet and training regimen. However, they are not a substitute for whole foods or hard work. Focus on a balanced diet, consistent workouts, and adequate rest to achieve the best results. Consult with a healthcare professional or nutritionist before starting any supplement regimen, especially if you have pre-existing health conditions.